How to change PHP version via CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Scroll down. Now click Select PHP Version icon. This here shows the current PHP version of the domain example.com. Ignore this warning as it is related to the set version that is the native version of PHP. Click to open the drop-down list of available PHP versions and select the required version. Then click to apply. Success! We have changed the PHP version via CloudLinux Selector. We will learn about these modules in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.